Hello, friends. We are learning our subject data mining 3160714. And in that, we are learning Vika tool. Now, we want to learn linear regression. Linear regression, wherein we know that we are trying to find a best fit line for data objects, and we use that for predicting the missing or unknown values. So, if we want to have the linear regression in Veka, what should we do? We do have the classify tab. In that, we do have classify options. In that, functions, and then after linear regression. But for applying linear regression, it is must that all the attributes of our data file must be numeric. So if we do have non-numeric attribute, we should remove that, or otherwise take any data set where we are having the all numeric attributes, right? So let us take it in quicker explorer. Let us open the file. Let us choose a file wherein we are having all the numeric data. So let us say we are going to the Veka installation directory. In that, we will be choosing our data directory, and we can say cpu.arff is a file wherein we are having all the attributes as numeric. So let us check it out. This is first attribute is numeric, second attribute is numeric, third attribute is numeric, fourth one is numeric, fifth one is numeric, sixth one is numeric, seventh one too is numeric, right? So all the attributes in this file are numeric, and that is why we can apply linear regression here, right? Let me show you that, and then I'll show you with the data file where it is having non-numeric attribute, then what happens. Okay, so let us go to classify tab, then choose, then we can say in the classifiers functions we are having linear regression. So class for using linear regression for prediction, right? So that's what we are choosing here. Linear regression. Click on this, right? We can see the properties, right? Just now we are not changing anything. We are just keeping it as it is because we want to see the output of our linear regression, right? So let us say it as okay, and then let us do the start. Now what we are getting? We are getting the number of instances, attributes, then we can say classifier model, that is full training set. The class is equal to say myct. This is the equation we can say, right? That is 0.0491 into myct plus 0.0152 mmin plus 0.0056 into mmx plus 0.6298 into CACH plus 1.4599 into CH max plus minus 56.075. This is the equation, isn't it? And time taken is 0.24 seconds. Now, what it gives us? Correlation coefficient is 0.9012, mean absolute error, root mean square error, relative absolute error, root relative squared error, right? So all these things it has given us, right? Now, can we see anything here? Let us check it out. We can see we can save this result, or otherwise we can say save the model that we can apply to anyone else, visualize the classifier errors, right? So we can see that, right? Visualize, we can say we are able to visualize the linear classification. Fine. So that is all about the linear classification. But I told you that I'll show you by choosing any data file wherein we are having non-numeric data. So what happens? Let me show you that. Let us go to preprocess, because from here we can choose the file, right? So open file. Then let us say that we were using the weather numeric till now. So I'm opening that only. Now, what we know about this is this first attribute is nominal, second attribute is numeric, third attribute is numeric, fourth attribute is nominal, and fifth attribute to is nominal, right? Now the way we are applying the classification algorithm or clustering algorithm or any algorithm, let us try to have the linear regression. Say classify, choose. Now let me see here. We can see this linear regression is not active, isn't it? This is not active, as it must have all the attributes as of type numeric, right? So it will not allow you. If you select on this, you will be able to see linear regression, but but will not be able to have this start button active, right? So always keep that thing in your mind, that when you want to apply linear regression, all the attributes must be of type numeric, right? So that is the linear regression.